Yeah, welcome students. This problem actually from week 2, exercise 4. Construct a parabolic arc with in a parallelogram of sides 110 by 50 mm. Included angle, that parallelogram included angle is 70 degree. So let it be the dimensions. You're supposed to specify all dimensions or in mm, and the scale. So this could be drawn in the A4 sheet, hence it is need to be enlarged or reduced. 1:1 we can adopt. So let it be. I'm just drawing a line, the reference base line, which is 110 mm. Let it be. So let it be 110 mm. So okay. With that, I just don't have protector. Let us name this is A, this is B. So they are asking us to draw a 70-degree angular line. Just I don't have protector. For that I have one trick to draw 70-degree angle. You just make like this and simply take any length, any distance, and make a simple arc, and you keep and turn, and you keep that point of intersection which is from AB. Keep again one arc and again shift the center point and intersect that semicircle, that arc, and again keep this as a center, make one arc, again keep this as a center and make one arc. Okay, so this point you can notice that is a 90-degree exact for AB. It's a way to draw the vertical line. If you have protected, it is okay. Let it be. So I need one angular line which is supposed to be in 70-degree angle. To find that, I'm just keeping that same distance, which is A to that unknown point. I'm keeping that intersection as a center and making one arc. So now I'm measuring from the beginning point to that another center which is lies in 90-degree line. So this distance I am measuring and keeping this as a center now and intersecting that arc which I have made it. So if you are connecting this, it will gives you 70-degree angular line. You can verify. So now I need the sides of parallelogram is 50 mm. I'm measuring 50 mm. Let it be. I just intersect here. So that is a point. So I'm just taking this a point. Let it be ABC. Let it be D. Again, I'm making the horizontal line parallel to AB to finish the parallelogram. So it's supposed to be 110 mm. Measure AB as a 110 mm and shift the point to D and intersect, and these 2 points will again you can connect. This gives you 70-degree. So again measure to locate the center for a 55 mm, 110 divided by 2, and keep D as a center and intersect this one. Again you join, long dashed dotted line for a CG. Let it be. So now this point is a vertex, this point is O, A, B, C, D. Now we have found all the parts in the parallelogram. So this angle is 70-degree. Let it be. Now we need to divide a number of equal parts to draw the path of parabola. So now I'm just measuring, since it is a 12.5 mm, if you are 50 divided by 4 parts, if you are making it 4 part, Let me divide for a 12.5 mm, and I am keeping B as a center. I am just making an arc with an equal division. It gives you 4 numbers of what and 3 points between B to C, similarly A to D. 1, 2, 3. So now again between O to A and O to B, I'm just making it 13 point mm for 55 mm length. I am making a equal division. 1, 2, 3. Similarly 1, 2 and 3. So now if you are writing it, so this could be 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1 dash, this is 2 dash, this is 3 dash. Obviously this is 3 1 dash, 2 1 dash, 1 1 dash, 3 1, 2 1 1 1. So we could divide the same manner which you have done in the previous. So now you connect. Now you can connect from vertex to the points which you have made it. 1, 2, 3. Similarly other side, from vertex to 1 dash, 2 dash, from 3 dash. So you just now for a lower division, you just erect a vertical line where it meets. There we can say that is a path of parallelogram, not vertical line, it's parallel to the parallelogram sides. Okay, if you are making it 1, 2, 3, similarly 1, 2. So the point which is meets the previous divisions, you can name it. This is P1, this is P2, this is P3. Similarly P3 dash, P2 dash, P1 dash. If you are connecting with a smooth curve, that will gives you a parabolic shape. You cannot see that parabolic look like uniform manner as like a previous rectangular method. The parallelogram means if you are making a sides 70 degree, this regions may not be like look like uniform. Actually it is uniform only. Thanks.